Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did this short, cute set. I'm going to get straight into the video. The acrylic I'm going to be using is from Secret Nail Affair. And then my brush is from Cart and it's a size 12. And my acrylic monomer, is from Young Nails. As you can hear, my voice is gone. I barely can even speak, so I won't be doing too much talking in this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy this application process.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go,
So I did go ahead and do the filing and shaping off camera, but I'm gonna get straight into me doing the designs. Like I said, I do not want to be doing too much talking because I lost my voice and it feels like I am screaming just to talk, and I don't want you guys to hear me like this, but this video have to be out there. So go ahead and comment, like, and share. And hopefully by the time I edit my next video, my voice should be fully back. If not, I'm just going to do like a silent video. And comment down below and let me know if you guys are like, do you guys like silent videos? Because that could be my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment. Bye.